Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and today in this video I am going to discuss about the grayscaled video. Like what we were doing in the previous lecture, in the previous video I just demonstrated to use the video capture, and there we were just accessing the webcam of our system, of the laptop or the computer which you are using. You can also convert the color of the captured video in whichever color you want. So let's see that what we can do with it. I'm just opening a new file here. It's Pro 6, and I have just copied the code of the previous program, but yes, we will be making some changes. So let's see that. Now here I will be explaining everything, so don't worry. Here I'm just taking gray, it's just a variable, and here I'm taking cv2 dot cvt, that is the convert color, and of the frame which has been captured, and I want to convert it to, you can see that multiple colors are coming. Okay, whichever you like, you can just check it. It is in your assignment, you can say. You can just check whichever you like. And here I'm taking color underscore bgr I will be taking. Okay, so I'm just taking bgr to gray. So as I told you before that it supports, OpenCV supports BGR, not the RGB. So it is coming BGR to gray. And here I'm taking BGR to gray. So the color of the image will be converted into the gray scale. Now here I will be not using the frame because it will be giving the frame in the IM show, whichever is captured. I want to use this gray variable, so the converted frame will be coming here. So now that's all. I'm just going to run this program, and now it will be just giving the black and white video. The original will be actually converted into the black and white. I'm having a colored notebook in my hand, and now it is coming as black and white. You can see it is a colored notebook, but it is coming as black and white just because that we have used the convert to gray. That's why I'm just pressing Q button from my keyboard, so it will be closed. Now here you can see it is closed, and as it should be, but our program is working absolutely fine. Okay, so I hope this small video and this small program was clear to you. In case you are having any confusion in the content which is written apart from this line, so just watch the previous video, because there I have explained the whole program which I have copied from the previous program file. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please press the like button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it, and also press the notification bell so you will be able to get uploads of the latest uploads of this channel.